how to see all games you played on Roblox. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Roblox application and open the app. Now here it will lead you directly to your homepage, right? Now under your homepage, you will see here continue, right? Now if you scroll through that, you will see the games that you have recently played. So click on continue there, and basically all the games that you have played on Roblox is there. For example, these. So as you can see here, these are the games, and this is how you see all the games that you have played. And the other nice thing about this is on the top part, you'll see continue there, right? Click on that. Now if you click on that, you will see sorting area there. As you can see, you can sort it by games or sponsored, or those games that you have set on favorite or added on favorites, the most engaging games that are recommended for you. You can even have your avatar shops, your sponsored there, the popular games, the featured games, so on and so forth there. So for example, this Tycoon here, you will see the games about Tycoon. You will also have here your favorites, the games that you have set on favorites. And basically that is it. That is how you see all games you played on Roblox, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.